Today on Ballistic Barbecue, I'm going to be taking a look at and comparing 3 of the top selling gas grills from Monument Grills. Thank you, Monument Grills, for sponsoring this video. Let's get going. The Mesa 2 is the least expensive grill of the 3 grills sitting behind me right now, but it actually packs a lot of bang for the buck. Mesa 2 has 4 burners, pulse ignition, so there's no battery or plugging in. Unlike most grills in the same price range, you can actually zone cook in this. So there's 2 zones for cooking. On the left side, you have, I guess, what you call the normal zone, just the normal gas burners. But on that right side, you have what they call a broil zone. That broil zone actually gets hot enough to sear a steak. And you're not going to find this feature in most grills in this price range. The Mesa 2 can actually get up to 500 degrees in 5 minutes. So you're eliminating that wait time that most gas grills, especially in this price range, have. I think one of the standouts of this grill is the way it looks. It's a sharp looking grill. Even though you're not paying a lot of money, you get a lot of stainless steel to look at. My wife says it's cute. She loves this grill. And one of the things she really digs on are the red pulls on the handles. She likes those accents. I think it's a very well thought out grill, and they've incorporated what they call a pegboard design. So you can kind of personalize it for hanging your tongs, paper towels, both inside and out of this grill. Mesa 2 is definitely the easiest of the 3 to put together. I did it by myself, I wasn't rushing, and it took less than an hour. Build quality, now the build quality definitely went into the business end of this cooker, the burners and the actual cooking chamber, and let's not forget the side burner. The cart is a lot lighter material than the other 2, but it is faced with that stainless steel, those stainless steel doors, so it's sharp looking, just not as heavy duty as the other 2. Now let's take a look at the next tier in this lineup, the Denali 605 Pro. Now the Denali is a beast. 900 square inches of cooking surface, 6 burners. You can literally cook for 11 to 16 people at one time, which means if you're hosting a party, you're not constantly rotating food onto the grill. You can pretty much cook everything at once, giving you more time to not only enjoy the food you're cooking, but enjoy your company. 5 blade infrared burners, 1 built-in ceramic infrared burner. This thing boasts 78,000 BTUs and reaches 700 degrees in just 10 minutes. And a side searing station, I'm telling you, this thing is a monster. And if you've never had the experience of searing a steak off on one of those searing stations, you're missing out. It's cathartic. Of the 3 grills I'm featuring, this could be arguably the most versatile. It has what they're calling the modular cooking system. Basically what it is there's a circular section in the cooking grates that can be removed and replaced with other accessories, like a pizza stone, a cooking plate, and a diamond grid. The cooking plate is literally a small griddle, so you can flip eggs and pancakes and things like that on it. And just like the Eminence 605, the Denali comes with a rotisserie kit. The aesthetics of this grill, I think, is way up there. First off, a lot of stainless steel. It's a beautiful grill. Secondly, it has what they call a clear view system, which is essentially a window that spans the entire hood of the grill. But this is not just for looks. There's an old saying in the cooking world, outdoor cooking world, if you're looking, you're not cooking, meaning lifting the lid to take a look at the meat and then closing the lid, you're losing cook time every time you do that. With this, if you're looking, you're still cooking, because you can literally watch the food cook while the lid is closed. And since I mentioned aesthetics, the Denali has something that Monument Grills has really become known for, and that's their LED illuminated knobs. But the cool thing is these knobs actually change colors as the pit changes temperature. So starts out blue, and then when the thing's blazing, they're red. Monument Grills has incorporated a lot of features into the Denali that make it easier for you to cook. The one thing I really love is the pull-out propane tank shelf. So you can literally just open the doors, pull the tank out, lift it straight up, rather than having to kind of squeeze into the cart and pull it out at an angle. Another thing is their one-touch ignition system. So you can push one button and light all of the burners. The Denali's digital display is very clean, very easy to read. It has 2 probe ports. The Denali comes with 2 probes. It also has a USB-C port, so you can run this digital display using a mobile phone charging bank. And now for the point of the spear, the literal flagship of Monument Grills, grills, the Eminence 605. We're talking 89,000 BTUs, 6-blade infrared burners, one built-in rear ceramic infrared burner for rotisserie, and one side searing station. This thing hits 800 degrees Fahrenheit in 10 minutes. We're talking pro-level steakhouse quality crusts on this beautiful, beautiful grill. The Eminence 605 is definitely a centerpiece, stainless steel galore, a lot of little details like the door pulls. I mean, it's dressed up. This is a beautiful, beautiful grill. One of the features that I really love is that rear infrared burner for the rotisserie. Most grills do not have that, and it makes a huge difference when it comes to getting a nice crust on a prime rib or cooking a perfect chicken with that nice crispy skin. This is what you need. Now, I see the Eminence 605 as more of an investment rather than a grill that you hone your skills on and then move up to the next level. The Eminence 605 is literally the next level. And the nice thing is it's dual fuel. So you can run it off the standard propane tanks if you wish, or you can hook it up to your natural gas, which is a great option because this thing is a very powerful grill. And when you're really running the BTUs, it's thirsty. It consumes a lot of propane. So the option of natural gas is amazing. Now, the Eminence 605 does not have that propane shelf that pulls out like the Denali has. However, it has a fuel cylinder weighing module, which is a fancy way of saying it has a ring inside of the cart that the propane cylinder sets on. This ring is actually weighing the fuel cylinder, so as you're consuming propane, the tank gets lighter and it gives you a visual indicator. On the readout, the indicator will be green if it's full, it'll go yellow as you're losing propane, and then red when it's like, it's probably time to change your tank, which I think is awesome. And like the Denali, the Eminence 605 is Bluetooth enabled, so you can monitor the entire cook using your smartphone and the Monument app. So that's pretty darn cool. Like the Denali, the Eminence has the intuitive lit knobs. So again, they'll change colors according to the temperature of your grill, but they took it up a notch with atmospheric lighting as well. So you can have different colors flashing, you can have party lights going. It's basically a show. So when you're done cooking, or actually while you're cooking, if it's in the evening time and you're entertaining guests, you can also entertain them with a little light show. I'll have links to all the grills below. And in addition to that, Monument has given me discount codes that save you an amazing amount of money. So make sure you're using the code. Thanks for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscription button, ringing the notification bell, thumb it up if you like it. I hope you did. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. See you on the next video. Cheers.